All right, so the towel holder ripped out of the wall. So we can't just spackle this because I'm going to need to put that towel holder back up. So I'm going to show you one way that you can do that. So I've seen this done a lot of different ways. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut the square out first with my miter saw right here. So I just got some drywall right here and I'm just cutting a square. And then we're going to take that square and use it as a template and cut around the drywall. So there's the hole. I put that as the template and just pencil around that piece right there. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut it out. Now I have no tools here. This is not my house. I had no tools. If I did, I would have used my Ryobi oscillating saw. It would have been perfect for this job. Even the drywall saw I used right here, the tip was broken off of it. There was no tools here at all. And the box cutter, the utility knife, was just not sharp at all. But I got that piece out, and then just make sure you just clean this really well. And then we're going to get a piece of wood right here. Now I put it right there in the middle where the screws are going to go back in for that towel rack. And this is going to give it a sturdier thing to hold on to so I don't have to use those, drywall anchors. And I feel like this will give it a stronger hold. So pop that drywall piece in there, and I'll have to show you guys how to texture this next time because there are absolutely no tools here for me to use. I have no idea why there's no tools, but I'll show you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.